guys? I'm AJ from Davis Drives, and welcome to showroom number 3. Alright guys, so as you know, we've been building and building and building so much. This is showroom number 3. It is finally completely closed in. Tim's gonna show you some pan around shots of that. But basically the layout is gonna be, we're gonna have a few pieces of equipment in here. We already have some. We got a John Deere, a Bobcat, and a Kubota in right now. Those are right there. Camaro's sitting over there on the robot rollback. That's what we like to call it. Also, we're gonna have trucks lined up back here. Trucks lined up right here. Classic cars over there. And some buggies and side-by-sides up front. Also, this is gonna be like a nice little waiting area just in case we have customers that if they want add-ons to rollbacks, we can send them right there and then chill out in here and so they don't have to wait in our office across the street because there's not as much room. We'll have some couches, nice little tables, TVs rolling with some YouTube B-roll. But ultimately, that's gonna be the plan for the layout. We're gonna do also our photo shoots in here. There's gonna be different lighting up top, octagon lighting. We're gonna have cars come in the middle. You'll see our YouTube videos here, our TikToks. And we're gonna streamline and everything because this is gonna be our centerpiece. But that's pretty much it. Like I said, Tim's gonna get some pan around shots. Thank you for watching. AJ, Davis Drives, Davis Auto Sales on TikTok, Davis Auto Sales on Facebook, Davis 4x4 on Instagram, and Davis4x4.com. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll check y'all later. Y'all know I don't do this long talking. I'm out. So we were going to make a video, but what's wrong, Christian?
I ran out of gas.
So